Learn English quickly. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words we will learn today. Number one, from January to December is one. Correct. Number two, to do something in Friday or on Friday. Which one is right? Number one. Please listen and write this in your notebook. What year is it now? What year is it now? Year. It is not 2020. It is 2025. Now we can make a flashcard for year. Please write year up here in the top left corner, Y-E-A-R. Down here in the bottom left corner, N1. This means noun, level 1. And over here in the bottom right corner, the number, 199 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Number 1, ear. Yes, a body part, ear. Same sound, number 2, big. And then remember the J sounds like a Y. Ya, yellow. Year. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer will play tennis on Monday. Jennifer will play tennis on Monday. On. She will play tennis on Monday or on Tuesday. If it's one day, we say on. Now we can make a flashcard for to do something on Monday. Here is another example. We will eat ice cream on my birthday. If it's one day, we say on. Please make a card like this. Write to do something on Monday. Up here in the top left corner. Down here in the bottom left corner, ADV ID1. This means adverb, idiom, level 1. And over here the number 11 out of 15. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. On. Day. The last two letters sounds like ABC. Day. On Monday. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned 1 year. Correct. And Jennifer will play tennis in Friday or on Friday? On Friday. Very good. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words today. Net. For catching fish. Number 2 is plumber. This is a person that fixes sinks and pipes. Number 3, to transform is similar to to change into something. It is Wednesday, May 21st. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course. We learn 2 words every day and write them on flashcards. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.